Hey, what's good? This your boy Slick Fresh, and you already know I'm back with another one, man. You know, I had to hit you guys with something quick, but you already know we gotta keep it exclusive. So, man, it's been a minute, man. It's been a slow month for your boy. I've been trying to cop a lot of things, man. But, man, you already know Anyway, I ain't too trendy, man. I try not to stay too trendy. I try to stay exclusive, period. You already know. So I'm not just copying anything, man. And I definitely appreciate all my supporters, all my subscribers, man. All the people that's just taking the time out to give my video a view, man. Hey, just keep on showing your support and definitely bang that subscription box. All of that is appreciated, man. But without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get into this nice sleeper cop I just got. Man, I'm gonna get you hip. Stay tuned. Yeah. Hey, so, bruh, when I tell you, hey, these some exclusive joints, man. These definitely some exclusive sneakers, dog. Man, truthfully, I haven't seen too many people do too many reviews. I've done my research. You already know your boy gotta do his research. So I done did my research and I saw maybe one or two videos. One of those videos may have been a picture review. You know what I'm saying? So we gonna get y'all a nice look at some exclusive sneakers, bro. And these right here are some Air Max, all right? So, hey, this is my first little Air Max review. And no, they are not no Vapor Max. I've been meaning to get my hand on all the Vapor Max that's going on. But you already know, man, we ride our own wave. You feel me? We do our own thing. So, hey, I got a Slick Fresh cop here for y'all all day. And I got my keys this time. I ain't got to go look for them this time. You already know we got them. We heard. And I actually got this. This is my first time actually ordering off of the Kith website, man. You already know, man. I low-key found out about Kith just on Instagram and, you know, found that link. But all sleepers. Like, hey, and you heard it here first. So if y'all looking for some sleepers, you heard it here, but you already know how people are. They know where to get their sneakers, so they probably ain't gonna take my word for it. But most sneakers for me, you already know. And it's so coincidental that your boy got on all black. You heard? Hey. But you already know. Y'all see the little Kith receipt, you know what I'm saying? So, hey, I ain't want my information all up in there, but that's the Kith receipt, man. Do not sleep, bro. Like, everybody don't know where to get sneakers. I'm just getting y'all hip, bro. I'm getting y'all hip, man. If y'all don't listen, that's on y'all. But I'm getting y'all hip. When I'm doing these reviews, I'm getting y'all hip. When I'm getting these exclusive sneakers, I'm getting y'all hip, bro. But y'all gotta listen to me, bro. Y'all gotta listen to me. And you already know, already got it in the works, the How to Rock. So the How to Rock gonna be on the way, but we just doing a nice little review right now. But look, boom, instantly, you already know. You see the box. It's a regular Air Max box. Nothing too crazy, nothing too special. But these are the Nike Air Max 1 Premium SC. All day. Size 12, baby. They me. You already know. But I'm going to give y'all a good little look at these. Like I said, bro, this is not my first pair ever of Air Max, you know what I'm saying? But this is a nice little cop that I got in a minute of some Air Max. And, like, this is truthfully Air Max I'm not going, like, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to treat right. So, like, this is truthfully, like, just the start to a nice little collection, you know what I'm saying? And it's like, this is like the Air Max, like, with the jewel, bro. And I love the colorway. I saw these and I was like, man, I had to get them, bro. These joints is all black with the chrome. So you already know, gotta keep them clean, man. And truthfully, the box that they came in, I ain't even tripping off of because, like, man, these, like, I can't even remember a box that I got like this that was, like, in tremendous condition, bro. These Nike boxes aren't made, like, the sturdiest, but it's whatever, you know what I'm saying? But definitely some clean kicks, bro. So tell me what y'all think, man. What y'all think of these? And you already know your boy gonna hit y'all with the How to Rock. I gotta hit y'all with the How to Rock, because if I don't, it wouldn't be right. But look, man, these things is stupid clean. Let me get the other joint out. Like I said, man, y'all heard where I got them. I ain't gonna say it again, because I ain't gonna give y'all too many tips. Y'all gotta watch the video. Y'all better see what I said, you know what I'm saying? But this is both of them together. Both of them. Clean cops, man. Hey, tell me what y'all think down in the, you know what I'm saying, comments below. I already know y'all like to state y'all opinion, so go ahead and leave a comment, man. Tell me what y'all think. I don't know why nobody was hip to these or why they ain't even go get these, but I'm glad I got me some. Man. This Air Max I thought was stupid clean because, like, this Air Max is got the chrome right here, and then, you know, you got the little suede, like, I forget what they call it. Starts with an N, like the material that they got for it. But I look at it as more like a little, you know, a little bit of suede, but it ain't got that switch to it. You know what I'm saying? And then, you know, it got the regular bottom, so it ain't the same material, but it's rubber. You know what I'm saying? And you got the air right there. But hey, these clean, bro, and I can definitely see myself pushing these, and I'm gonna definitely push them hard, man. Tell me what y'all think of these, bro. Hey. But I definitely think this was like a great little sleeper cop. Didn't cost too much. I paid $190 for them, you know what I'm saying? Like, wasn't too bad. I thought it was, I don't even know if I paid $190. I might be just speaking out the side of my neck. Oh, ha, psych. I paid $140 for these. So definitely a good sleeper cop. Bro, I'm telling you, what I'm telling you right now is I got a How to Rock that's gonna put you on. Hey. Stay tuned, man. You already know we got more on the way, man. Gotta keep all the hotness coming, all the exclusive joints coming. But we ain't following in y'all footsteps. We doing our own thing, man. And if you like what we doing, man, make sure you subscribe to my page because we definitely gonna keep it coming for you. Look at all these hand gestures. Hey, we here, though. Hey, stay tuned because you already know your boy got more on the way. It's been a slow month, but you already know we're going to keep it coming and we're going to keep it rolling. It's your boy Slick Fresh. Hey, we here to stay. Hey, we waking up the sneaker game all day. And we out of here.
I keep my